Hey, I'm Mike, Senior Finance Manager at Peak Design. This is the motorcycle bar mount V2. Available in both a Qi2 charging and a non-charging version, the motorcycle bar mount V2 is perfect for bikes with handlebars between 7/8 and 1/4 inches in diameter, with sufficient space to attach the mount. And if that's not your bike, don't worry about it. One of our other mounts may be a better option for you. Made from anodized aluminum with built-in vibration isolation, the Moto bar mount secures and protects your phone through the Slimlink mounting system. With one-handed mounting and removal, it's the quickest, most intuitive way to put your phone on your bike. Plus, the case that goes with it makes your phone compatible with our entire mobile ecosystem of mounts and accessories. But chances are, you already know why this is the best dang bar mount on the market, or you wouldn't be here. So let's show you how to install it. First, remove the clamp screw and loosen the screws on the bottom of the pivoting arm and mount head to allow the assembly to move freely. Next, pick a mounting location on your bars and determine which size collar you'll need. We make collars for the following diameters: 7/8 inch, 1 inch, 1 1/8 inch. And with no collar, the mount fits bars that are 1 1/4 inch. If your bars are outside of this range, check out one of our other mounting options. With the correct collar inserted, affix a clamp to your bars without fully tightening it just yet. Then, with the screw still loose, adjust the arm and mount head, both of which lock into 24 discrete positions to your preferred location. Once in the ideal position, hand tighten the clamp screw. Then reach underneath and tighten the arm and mount head screws as well. Pro tip: if the arm and mount head screws aren't easily accessible with the mount already on the bars, just hold the assembly in place while you loosen the clamp screw. Remove the whole assembly, tighten down the arm and mount head screws with the mount off the bike, then put it back on the bars and tighten the clamp screw. You know the finance guy likes a BOGO. Double pro tip: you can also fully remove the arm for an even cleaner aesthetic. I call it slam mode. Back to the install. Attach your phone in a Peak Design case and turn your bars completely in both directions to check clearances. You can also fine-tune your viewing angle at any time using the friction ball head. If you've got a non-charging version, you're done. If not, let's talk charging setup. First, you'll want to attach the snap cap that comes with the mount. To do so, peel off the adhesive backing on the snap cap. Align the snap cap with the recess in the mount center and press until you hear that sweet, sweet click sound. Press and hold for 30 seconds. This gives time for the adhesion to set. Now let's get to plugging it in. Your charging Moto bar mount ships with a USB-C cable. If you need a USB-A or an SAE connector, we sell those separately. Just note that the SAE connector should be attached to an ignition switched SAE port. It should not be directly attached to the battery. If your bike doesn't have this already, your mechanic should be able to install one via an ignition switched relay or an aftermarket power distribution unit. If it has something else like a DIN connector or cigarette lighter, you'll need an adapter. We've linked options for those, some made by us and some not, in the description of this video. Once you've figured out your power source, plug the cable in and then connect the other end to the mount via the waterproof inline connector. Then use the included cable ties to route your cable for a cleaner aesthetic and to keep it from hanging awkwardly. Many bikes have visible cables running along the frame already, which you can follow. Before fully tightening your cable ties, be sure to turn the bars each way again and ensure the cable is able to flex without catching on anything. Once you've done this, slap your phone on that sucker and enjoy the bliss that is wireless Qi2 charging on the go. And that's it. As always, if you have any questions, please contact our team at info@peakdesign.com. Safe riding out there.